Well, it was a mixed session on the street today. Saw the major indices finish well off the lows of the session. And I think there were several storylines and narratives that we definitely need to share about this seesaw session. First of all, small cap stocks are moving into the spotlight. That's right. Don't look now, but the Russell 2000 is the hottest large equity index over the past 5 trading days. Now, some say this is the best proxy for the U.S. economy, up more than 4% in the past 5 days. Now, because many of these stocks are biotech names, the index is really kind of sometimes hard to glean or to get a message from, other than perhaps, it's good that they have greater exposure to the domestic economy. Now, there are a couple of names there, though, that are standing out to me. I want to share with you. 1-800-Flowers looks amazing recently, and so does Angie's List. On the other hand, technology remains a juggernaut, and that keeps powering the NASDAQ, which by far enjoys the strongest gains of the year. And let me tell you today, breadth for NASDAQ, very impressive. You had over 1,800 advances versus 1,000 decliners. 163 stocks hit new highs today. Only 26 hit new lows. 1.3 billion volume on the upside, almost double that of the volume to the downside. It was also a very impressive day with leadership because it wasn't the same old names. Facebook was up, but I got to tell you, the rally today was all about software companies, right? We haven't heard them leading the parade in a while. Autodesk, Red Hat, Adobe, strong. And then there are the semiconductors doing extraordinarily well. Micron and Advanced Micro Devices are on the cusp of major short squeezes. After the close, Thor Industries making a big move on earnings. This, as you know, is a stock that I love. The shares have been beaten down. It should be a $200 stock now. There's some nagging issues over inventory management, and the shorts have held it down, but this stock, I think, is going to go significantly higher. And then there's Wynn Casinos. Shares of this stock also much higher after the close. This now, as the company has introduced its new CEO, Matt Maddox. He actually spoke to the investment community today for the very first time. We know it's an oversold name that could take off if new management can get the focus back on business fundamentals. Now, overall, I like the way the market is holding up against all the obstacles that it's faced this year, as there has been a myriad of reasons to panic. The next breakout point, I think, will be huge, and I think it will be worth chasing.